In today's video, we're going to be looking at a useful tip for bringing up your note-taking software. Depending on what software you've got installed on your version of Windows 10, this may launch a different application. However, for me, I'm going to be using Onenote. By pressing the Windows key and the N key, we will bring up our default note-taking software, and we'll have quick access to be able to write down any ideas that come to our head. We can then play around with this in Onenote. However, if you don't have OneNote installed, then it will likely bring up Notepad or WordPad, depending on what's installed on your device. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.